Welcome back to Car Culture TV. Today, we're looking at a car that has been a staple in the Malaysian automotive scene, the all-new 2025 Proton Saga. A car designed to balance affordability, practicality, and modern features, the Saga has been revamped to deliver more value than ever. Let's jump in and see what this compact sedan is all about. The 2025 Proton Saga comes equipped with a 1.5L DOHC engine that delivers 108 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual for the purists or a CVT for effortless city driving. With an impressive fuel efficiency of 6.2 L per 100 kilometers and a starting price of just 45,000, the Saga offers incredible value for budget-conscious drivers. Now let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Saga features a bold new look with sharp LED headlights and a dynamic chrome-lined grille that gives it a confident stance. The sculpted side profile, paired with sporty 16-inch alloy wheels, makes this compact sedan feel premium and stylish. It's a design that feels modern yet unmistakably Proton. Inside, Proton has stepped up their game. The interior is practical but doesn't compromise on modern touches. The centerpiece is an 8-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, now supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The redesigned dashboard has soft touch materials, and the multifunction steering wheel gives you everything at your fingertips. Proton has clearly focused on delivering functionality with a hint of style. Comfort is where the Saga continues to shine. Despite being a compact sedan, it offers excellent space for both front and rear passengers. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, perfect for long journeys. Rear passengers get generous legroom, and improved noise insulation makes the cabin quieter than before, even on highways. It's a surprisingly comfortable ride for its class. Performance is where the Saga blends practicality with fun. The engine is smooth and responsive, making it a great option for daily commuting and weekend drives. The suspension system strikes a nice balance between absorbing road imperfections and keeping the car stable during corners. While it's not a sports car, the Saga is confident and reliable, delivering everything you need from a daily driver. So, is the 2025 Proton Saga worth your attention? Absolutely. It offers modern design, practical features, and a level of comfort and performance that's hard to beat in its price range. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a family looking for an affordable second car, or simply someone who appreciates great value, the Saga ticks all the boxes. That's it for today's review on Car Culture TV. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Proton Saga, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the new Saga? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.